What happened ba ka jing toket kadang yai halor ki jing sam ya kitin sop Ïing ki batat dor bat ki bastang Henry Myntri Katnat Housing Marcos Marak ulaong ba Katkum ka jing yo kai pot jong u ka jing reben katin sop Ïing bala sam da ka company shimet ka long Katkum ki jing yatai ki batikna la ban pen ken mau ba ka housing department hau benai bala dep kala hukum ba de ban toket da katnat halor ka jing jo da ka seng hinyo tep youth council HYC ka bal ong bala sam ya kitin sop Ïing ki batador sya ki babon ki CNRD blocks hakeleng kejela ke HYC kala kamba ki tier bala sam da ka Haryana Iron Works Private Limited Kolkata kilong ki batador bat ki bam long ru ban pendon kam habakren halor ke new menteri Katnat housing laong ba katnat ka phai menta ban simno da ki tin sop Ïing ki ba kambha.
Yeah, as a minister concerned for housing, I'm very I'm here to state that the department has gone for the better one, which is aluminum sheet. We have procured as per the recommendation of the technical officers, because CJ sheet is a sheet which is a corrugated galvanized iron, and this is a aluminum corrugated aluminum sheet. Durability wise, aluminum is much more durable, and CJ sheet is not that durable comparing to aluminum sheet. But in comparison of weights and all, CJ sheet is more, having more weight than the aluminum. So people are going for the weight and then saying that it's not as per the direction given by the department. But it's not the fact. The aluminum is lighter, and then CJ is heavier in terms of weight. Basically, the technical reason for procuring aluminum sheet is that it lasts longer than the CJ sheets, and it doesn't get rusted as has been rusted by the CJ sheets. So therefore, we have gone for this aluminum sheet, and we have got the feedback from the people also is very good. It's lasting more also. Therefore, we have procured this one. Since some NGOs have complained, especially HYC, immediately when I got the complaint letter, I immediately ordered for the inquiry. Departmental inquiry is already underway, and then they have gone to the Lok Ayukta also, and Lok Ayukta is also inquiring the matter. But hopefully things will come as per the thing. So far, I'm getting the reports from the department. Things are okay. All the thickness and everything is as per the specification given by the department. So therefore, let's wait and watch. When the inquiry is completed, I'll be able to tell you the detail. What is what.